Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel Financeable, where we upload videos related to finance, and in today's video I'll be teaching you how to reopen your BetMGM account. Before getting started, if you are new to the channel, please do subscribe and turn on the notification bell icon to get notified every time we upload new videos. Now let's get started. First of all, open your web browser, then on the search bar type in BetMGM. Once you press enter, you'll get these kind of results. From this, click on the first link, then it will ask you to select your location. So from this list, select your location. Once you do that, you'll be taken to this page. Once you get to this page, you'll have to log into your account. But since your account is blocked for some reason and you can't log into your account, the reason can be anything. You may have entered your password wrong repeatedly, or you might have done something wrong. If your account is blocked and you want to reopen it, follow these steps. First of all, click on this button where it says Help and Customer Care. Then once you get to this page, click on this Contact Us button. You can either use live chat or email. If you want your account unlocked instantly, click on live option, and if there is no rush, you can use the email option. I'll just use the email option. Now this form will open up. On this form, you'll have to fill up your first name, your last name, and your email address. After that, enter your date of birth and select your subject. In subject, you should select account details and access. Now in this text area, you should explain your problem, how your account got blocked and you want to reopen it. You can also attach a photo or a screenshot of your account by clicking on this link or just dragging it here. After you have filled up this form, click on this submit button and your report will be submitted. Once your application has been submitted, BetMGM team will review your application, and if they find your reason genuine, they will help you to reopen your account. And once they reopen your account, they will contact you through your email address. Until then, you'll just have to wait. So this is how you do it. I hope this video was helpful, and if it was, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe, and turn on the notification bell icon to get notified every time we upload new videos, and I'll catch you on the next one.